Friends, my name is Sushil. Today I will show you how to install MS Office 2010. First, you have or we need Office 2010 setup file. Click on it. Here you will find out setup and product key. First, we will install setup file. Right click on it, run as administrator, click yes, click close this window. Here is two mode of installation. First, you can put install now. It will install all the feature whatever in built. And here second option is customization. You can put both anyone. For if you don't know how to customize it, you can click install now or customize. So I am putting customize. Suppose you don't want Microsoft Access, so you can put not available, so it will not install this. But as for all, but we are putting run from computer. So click on install. So now installation progress has been started. It's installing MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, Access and some of the tools.